Hey guys, it's Dawn.
And Tyler.
We're just out and about, and we have been here at
Margaritaville Resort Hotel at the islands at Pigeon Forge.
Yes, it's kind of long, isn't it? Yeah. We have had our stay here. We stayed 4 nights this time.
Yep. The last time we stayed one night over in a fountain view room. We had a village view room this time.
Yep. Yeah.
And you will see that in the clip of the room.
Yeah. So we've had our 4-night stay. We've totally enjoyed it. Had a great time.
Yep, as always.
But I am just going to show the room this time because in the last video I did, and I'll be sure to link that up in the corner.
We showed the resort.
Yeah, we walked around. I walked around the island. I mean, it was pretty much a full video of the resort.
And we also have a video just the island itself.
Yep, and I'll be sure to link that one as well. We highly recommend staying here.
Yeah, very nice. Always clean.
Super clean.
It's a clean place.
Yeah.
It's really cool to sit out on the balcony and just sit there and chill out and watch the people go by. We
had a great time here, but while we're doing this tour, hey, don't forget, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, so this time we had a village view room at Margaritaville Island Hotel at the island at Pigeon Forge. And last time we had a fountain view room. I will be sure and put the link up above for it. It was a different type room. It was a king room. This time we have 2 queens, but what a huge room. Still have the microwave, the bar, the refrigerator. We do have a Keurig for your morning coffee. So this has the TV, and looks like a kind of desk with some drawer space. We do have the fireplace, but it is off, make note, from May 1st to October 1st. We did turn on the fireplace in the other video that we had when we were here in March. So again, be sure to check that out. That was the fountain view room again. Again, we have 2 queens. Got some plug-ins. Looks like plenty of them at both the each side of the bed. Got a closet space here. With a safe. We did have that in the other type room. And here we go outside for our view. This is the village view room. So we have a view over the shops here. And there is the view of the wheel, the Smoky Mountain wheel from our porch. Looking forward to sitting out here in the evenings. Looking forward to an awesome visit here. All right, so now we're back here at the bathroom. When you first come in the door, bathroom is pretty similar to the other one that we had in the other type room. And check out that shower. That does have the shower there in the middle and to the side. Open it up. And do have a place for a seat. Huge, huge shower. Alright, that's about it for the room tour. And again, this is the Village View 2 Queen room. Alright guys, so our friend has just checked in here at Margaritaville, Pigeon Forge, at the island, and he has the Riverview room, or one of the Riverview rooms. It goes along this side here and then up the other side of the river. He actually got right here in the bend of the river. The room is the very same layout as ours. That's the Village View. It's the 2 Queen. So I just wanted to show some of the river view here.